I'm running late for my flight just because I really want to show you what just came in the post. Ladies and gentlemen, I received something from Louis Vuitton. Let's see what's inside of this box. Classic orange. It looks like a pair of shoes. Let's see. I mean, you know, I'm just taking my time. I'm not in a rush to go to the airport. What is it? I was a dust bag, and it is a pair of shoes. These kind of like vintage like sneakers, big trend for 2025, and these are leather with suede. We have green, white laces, and light blue. Actually, I really like this color combo, especially for the summer month. This is quite cute. They have a little monogram situation at the back, and this is what they're like inside. Are you a sneaker or no sneaker kind of girly? I need to know. Where are my manners? Looks like I totally missed the card. There's my name here. It's not a sneaker. It's not a ballerina. It's a LV Sneakerina. I see what they did there. It is a Sneakerina. Okay. Let me know what you guys think.